Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, hello, I'm Aakriti. I make videos every Tuesday and every Saturday, and if you're back, welcome back. Make sure you hit on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so that you're notified every time I come online. Sorry because this is some unusual appearance that is happening on my channel. I am so dressed up because today is Raksha Bandhan. Happy Raksha Bandhan. Belated Raksha Bandhan to all of you, because जब तक मैं ये वीडियो अपलोड करूँगी तब तक काफ़ी दिन बीत गए ना, 3 दिन बीत गए होंगे रक्षा बंधन को. Monsoon season is here and so are our frizzy hair. It's so difficult to maintain hair during the monsoon season, and here's a tip. Today's video is hair spa at home, जो कि monsoon season में बहुत ही beneficial हो सकता है. So this tip is not only for the girlies on my channel but also for the guys. You can do everything that I do so your hair don't become dry and frizzy this monsoon season. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Step number 1, oiling. So for the oiling, I have this coconut oil here and tea tree oil. So I'm going to mix both of these oils and put them in this bowl, and then I'm going to heat the oil for about 30 seconds and then put it in my hair. Washed my hair with lukewarm water. Now I'm just going to basically leave my hair open out for air dry. So my hair are almost dry and they look this frizzy right now. Like, they might not be visible on the camera but they're very frizzy. But one trick that can sort out this problem, at least for the time being, that I learned from Pinterest, is mixing these two things together. So this is the aloe vera gel and this is Lev-On. मैं इन दोनों serums को mix करके अपने बालों पे लगाने वाली हूँ. So let's go. So I'm gonna take a little bit of aloe vera. I'm going to mix Lev-On with it. थोड़ा सा, like 3 drops of Lev-On. I'm going to mix this solution well. Looks like this. And I'm going to apply it on my lens. अच्छे से सारे बालों पे लगा लिया है. And look at the difference. Here it is. Look at my hair now. They look way shinier and feel so much more smoother. And the frizz is almost gone. Like, really, it's almost gone. My hair feels so good and smooth and everything nice. So that's it for today's video. I hope you like this self-care tip and I hope you try it out and let me know in the comment section below if it worked for you or no. I'll see you on Tuesday with another video, and you know the drill. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel because you know it's free. Thank you for watching and keep loving yourself. That's it. Bye. Oh,